welcome to episode 2 of Hikaru's Heresies. In this episode, we will be considering the interaction with Pink Circle Specials, specifically the interaction with Heavenly Halo. Pink Circle Specials are a rarer mechanic in the full set where the special will be kept until the player has no bunnies in the bunny circle. In terms of game design, these are used when the special has a strong permanent effect. Let's take a look at the two bunny bits in question. The first excerpt is from the Fantastic Bunny Bits, which mentions that all pink rectangular box specials with a pink circle are considered to be aggressive, and the player must still have a bunny in the bunny circle to be able to play these cards. And of course, it mentions that the player must have a bunny to save and maintain these cards. With the Heavenly Halo, it explicitly states that a player may not play any aggressive cards if the player's only bunny is the bunny with the Heavenly Halo. So let's take a look at the easy example to clarify first. The Japanese Rabbit Trap, a pink circle special that you play against an opponent. So Japanese Rabbit Trap is given to opponent when it's played. However, a player with only a bunny with the Heavenly Halo could not play Japanese Rabbit Trap. To be able to play it, they would need a bunny that could play aggressive cards. And of course, the other pink circle specials that are similar to this, that you also play on an opponent, have the same interaction. So that's the easy case. The less intuitive example, and one that I had wrong for several years, are the rest of the pink circle specials, such as the Minolith or Ultimate Pawn Power. These pink circle specials have a continuous effect while you have them saved. Most of these aren't played in a traditional sense. After running them through, you save them, and there isn't a specific moment in which the card was played. But remember, the Fantastic Bit states that every pink circle special card is aggressive and requires a bunny to play it. For these, the simplest way to describe the intended mechanic is to consider using the ability as playing the card. So it is the ability of discarding a card from my 5-card hand when I have Ultimate Pawn Power that is considered the aggressive use of the card, as opposed to saving and maintaining it. So therefore, the player with only the Heavenly Halo is able to save and maintain these types of specials, but they may not use the ability while that bunny is their only bunny. This has been episode 2 of Hikaru's Heresies, looking at pink circle specials and specifically their interaction with the Heavenly Halo. And as always, Jeff bless.